As the cat gets closer to the dog, she prepares to pounce. She's got her hindquarters up. The dog's staring her right in the face. What's going to happen?
Just fucking stand on my PS4 a little bitch.
Just turn it on.
Do it. Where's the controller at?
The standoff's been like this for a whole minute or more.
Unfazed.
She's like, wait, what?
The cat's been hunting her prey for minutes now. Whole minutes. Now she's unsure. I don't suppose I can turn the PS4 on under her without having to get close, could you? Because that would be
we
fun.
turned it on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, no
She
wonder.
backed up all.
Wait a second, why is this vibrating?
I kind of like it.
The standoff continues. Now the cat has changed her mind.
You look bigger if you turn sideways.
Actually, you just make a bigger target.
Yeah.
Better target for the dog.
It's like, hey, you can wrap your whole mouth around this part of me.
I guess I'm just gonna leave.
Girl said, scared her away.